So ayun, diretsuhan na lang tayo. TRC pipe pang Aerox version 1. Sound check natin agad. Without silencer to guys ha. Sound check natin. Ang tunog niya guys. Bassy yan guys, bassy. Swabe yung tunog. Stock engine lang tayo guys ha. Stock lang. Okay, pipigaan natin, piga. Kaya ang tunog niya guys. Pang Aerox version 1 to guys. TRC.